Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, the last video on that Marx hand car, this thing's running just absolutely splendidly. Anyway, just for the final test, I put it on the inside rail. This is old pre-war American Flyer track that I derusted in vinegar. So I've got this connected via a magnetic lock-on to a Marx 50-watt transformer. So I just want to see how it's going to run on standard Marx power. So let's see how this runs. As you see, no problem with this at all, even on this derusted track. All right, let's take it up a bit faster. Okay, there's full power on a 50-watt transformer. You see, that's more than fast enough. Going right back to 50% power. So as you see, this hand car is repaired. No problem with this at all. It's running absolutely splendidly. So running this well on derusted track with a 50-watt transformer. As you see, no problem with this at all. So this will be the last video. Nothing left to do to it. It's up and running. What I'm going to do with it, I have no idea. The figures are missing, of course, but no idea what I'm going to do with it. I'll occasionally run it to keep it running, of course. But I just want to do a quick follow-up on this. This thing was trashed when it got here. And as you see, it is up and running with no problem at all. So, in any case, just want to do one last video on this. Wanted to test it on that transformer. I got it back on rail 5 now, running on DC. So, running absolutely splendidly. Anyway, like I said, this is very likely to be the last video on this. If I come across the figures at some point, I will finish this car. Other than that, it's going to stay as it is. It would be interesting to convert it into something else, that's for sure. That motor is small enough, you could probably build some really interesting rail cars using that motor. So, we'll see. Anyway, it's fixed, it's up and running. It was a fun project. I learned a lot working on this little car. That's for sure. I've never even seen one of these things before. So it's relatively straightforward. The only problem with it, of course, is it's so frightfully small that I had to wear a magnifier just to work on it. I mean, we're talking about some little parts. The brushes in this thing are like, literally, they're like pencil lead. They are extremely small. I was terrified I was going to drop one because I would never find it. Anyway, just a quick video. It's up and running. It's in one piece, running absolutely perfectly. No problem with this at all. So, a quick video. As always, you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.